Hey guys, Key here from Kegland, and you'll be happy to know our Benchy Sparkling units have just come into stock. Seltzers are a really popular thing. If you love, scotch and sodas or vodka sodas, this is awesome. You know you've made it in life when you've got chilled water and soda water coming out of your kitchen bench. You can forget about those soda stream machines having to replace those tiny little bottles. Our big gas cylinders will last you hundreds and hundreds of litres. Because it's also plumbed into the mains, you can forget about filling up bottles, putting them in your fridge to cool them down and all that palaver. It's over. This unit is pure luxury. For people who want to boost the value of the house, it's definitely worth installing one of these guys. And maybe you could say you're going to be healthier because you're going to be drinking more water. So, it's an awesome thing. I think as a luxury in your house, I really love it. I've had it on tap at home for ages and it's the best. I love my spicy water. Oh, it's spicy.